So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enter recovery mode on REALME C61. Entering recovery mode is quite complicated, and as long as you follow all the steps that I'm doing, you should be able to enter it. Also, it's worth noting that if you fail the first time, you can repeat the whole process because this combination of buttons, we will need a combination of buttons to enter the recovery mode. It is hard to do, and I needed to do it 5 times when I was doing it for the first time. So feel free to repeat it as many times as you need. Now, first you'll need to turn the phone off. Press and hold on the power button. If it doesn't result in showing you the power menu, press and hold on power and volume up. Then you'll see the power menu. Slide down to turn the phone off. Wait until the REALME logo disappears. The phone will slightly vibrate. After that, wait for 5 to 15 seconds or even longer if you want to make sure that the phone is fully off. Now, to enter the recovery mode, I'll explain the combination, maybe even twice, and then I'll do it. Feel free to repeat it as many times as you need. So you'll need to press and hold on power button for 3 seconds. While still holding, after 3 seconds, add volume down button and keep holding them until REALME logo shows up. Then release power button, but keep holding volume down until Android icon shows up with no command written at the bottom. So let's repeat. Power button for 3 seconds. Add volume down without releasing power button. Then when REALME logo shows up, release power button, but keep pressing volume down until you get into no command screen. So let's do it. Power button, then volume down after 3 seconds, release power button when REALME logo shows up, and then when no command shows at the bottom, release all buttons. Now to bypass the no command, simply click on press and hold on power button, and while doing so, shortly press on volume up and release. Like that. Then release the power button. Now you are in recovery mode. To navigate, use volume up or volume down buttons, and to select a certain option, click on power. I'm just gonna reboot to system, but feel free to do whatever you need here. Remember that if you change too much here without understanding some things here, then you may break your phone. So only do the things here that you understand. I'm gonna reboot it just to system. Click on power button, and now it's rebooting to system. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.